Welcome to our KUONGSHUN demonstration of mini radar projects for Arduino IDE, featuring a 180-degree scanning detector and a 148 inches SPI screen. In movies, we always see captains using radar to monitor enemy ships, and today we are going to make this cool project together. This mini radar combines the power of servo motor and a ultrasonic sensor to create a radar simulation. The servo motor provides a wide 180 degrees scanning range, allowing for comprehensive spatial monitoring. Using the ultrasonic sensor, the module measures distance between objects and the sensor, perfect for obstacle detection. The 148 inches TFT screen will actually display the distance vividly. Objects within 1 meter are shown as red dots, while those beyond 1 meter appear as yellow dots. This mini radar project is using Arduino IDE program. It is a great project to learn Arduino programming and also the ultrasonic sensor.